Okay, so as you can see, I'm on my home page, my Acme home page, and it's got me logged in as administrator, and the cookie works because I go up here, it's got my name and the value, and it's got this stuff. Oh, that was for a different page, sorry. Okay, let me go. Okay, so here I am, and I push on my account. So it says, thanks for registering, admin. Please use your email and password to log in. So I go down here. Let me get the admin password. And I put it in, and I push submit. And it says object requested not found. And as you can see, this takes me to this URL. It's not finding it. But I go back and I push refresh, and I'm going to do non-validates. Well, let me refresh that. So I'll do admin again, and I'll push submit. And the client-side verification works. It says, please fill out this field. But if I push non-validate and submit, it takes me here too. So I was wondering, it's got to be here in this login, in the login case, because the if empty client name, if empty client check password, if those are empty, it's not saying please provide information for all empty form fields when I do non-validate, and that's what it's supposed to do. So I'm confused as to what is going on. I have been looking over this, and I'll continue to look over it to try. But this is what's happening. I'm getting the object not found when I try to validate, to do the non-validation, and when I also try to log in. Let's see. Okay, so let's go here. We'll go here again. See, I'll try this again with a different, okay, sorry. Excuse me. And I'll push submit again. And again, it's not finding the page. So the registration works great, and I am able to register. I just don't know why I am getting this. So if we could talk maybe later on Zoom, I'd appreciate that.